In this video, I'm going to explain to you the whole monetization process on YouTube. I'm going to talk about the requirement and what happens after you meet the requirement. How do you connect your YouTube to AdSense? How do you get approval? How long it took me to get approved? And it took me, just a disclaimer, it took me 1 day to get approved, and you're going to learn what I did to get approved fast and how I actually start placing ads on my website. Everything is going to get explained to you in an easy manner. Enjoy the video. What's going on, beautiful people? It's August 24th, and as you look at my monetization tab on YouTube, I am almost monetized. I just simply want to thank you from the bottom of my heart to the 885 subscribers that I have right now. Thank you so much for hitting the button subscribe and believing in my channel, and I'll keep providing value. It is September 5th and we are at 995 subscribers. I believe by tomorrow we will hit the 1000 required, and this box will be checked, and I will show you exactly how the monetization process works with YouTube. And it is September 6th and I am at 999 subscribers. I just need that one additional subscriber to hit the 1000 right here. So I just want to say we hit the 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much for the 999 subscribers on the channel, and a special thank you to Mohit. I really will remember you because you are the one that took me from 999 to 1000 by subscribing from your second Gmail. So thank you very much, and I will always provide quality videos for free every single week. Now I am going to walk you through the process of monetization. I have already done 2 other videos on AdSense, like literally how I got approved for AdSense for my website and how you can actually set that up on your website. But now I'm going to do the same with the YouTube channel. Now I head back to my monetization tab here, and it says the partner program is done. Now I am on my way to becoming a YouTube partner. I have accepted the YouTube partner program terms. Now the step 2 is actually to set up Google AdSense. It says that my associated account was disapproved, and it may be due to an existing account, and my recent email from AdSense has more details. Now what you do is that you click on Fix in AdSense. You're making important changes to your YouTube channel. Completing this extra step will keep your data safe by making sure it's really you. Proceed. Okay, after you verify that, it says you will be redirected to AdSense to complete these steps. Do you have an existing AdSense account? Yes, I have an existing AdSense account. You're only allowed 1 AdSense account per person. Because you have an existing AdSense account, you should select the email associated with that account on the next screen. So I'm just going to click on continue, and I'm going to select my 1 AdSense account, which is this one. It says your existing Google Publisher account. You are already linked to an existing Google Publisher product. Continue with this account or use a different account to AdSense. Now I will accept the association, and this is it's connecting you to my AdSense account, and it says we are redirecting you to your host where you can continue with the steps and you can start using AdSense. So now it's redirecting me to Google AdSense. So you have to make sure that you actually select a proper AdSense account, because I am using a different email for this channel. I actually created a valid AdSense account with a personal email. So I actually linked this YouTube channel to my personal email account, which already has AdSense set up. And if you watch these 2 videos, how to make a Google AdSense account and how I got approval, you will actually learn how to set up the AdSense account. After finishing with the step 1 and setting up the AdSense account and linking that successfully, now it says the step 3, it's get reviewed. Now the step 3 is in progress, and it says YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. and the step will begin automatically after you've completed the first 2 steps. Now, due to global event, please expect delays in application reviews. Now, it says at the bottom, we will help you monetize your videos after you get accepted in the YouTube Partner Program. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I am still going to wait until the end of the approval to actually release this video, so you see the whole process. Hey, how's it going? It's actually September 8th, but I was approved by AdSense on September 7th. Remember in this video where I was about at 999 subscribers, that was on September 6th. Now it's September 8th, but I was approved by AdSense 1 day after. This is a record time that I have seen, because I feel like a lot of people don't get approved this fast by AdSense. So I'm going to walk you in this video in the rest step by step on the whole monetization process. Now, if I go back, so if you look back at my dashboard at the time, I did not have the copyright tab that you now see right here, and on the monetization tab, now you instead of having that requirement, you have now earn money from your YouTube channel, and up here it says please sign into your AdSense account to verify your address using the PIN mailed to your billing address. This is required to receive future payment and continue monetization. So how does it work? I'm going to walk you step by step on how to activate the ad so it appears on your videos, and also what I did so that I got approved very, very fast. Now, the first thing you will need to know is that you need those requirements, those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. So the 4,000 watch hour has to be in the last 1 year or 12 months or 365 days. You need to have an AdSense account, and one trick or one tip is that apply for AdSense way before applying for your YouTube monetization. Why? Because applying for AdSense also takes some time to get approved. I have also released another video already on how to get approved fast with AdSense if you're monetizing maybe your website. Okay, if you look at here, I'm monetizing my website, so I got approved by AdSense really fast. So you want to make sure you get approved by AdSense before you actually hit that requirement. No, after you've hit that requirement and you reopen your YouTube Studio, you will see this new copyright channel copyright tab. You just click on agree and continue. Now it says nice work, you're all caught up. Perfect. And the next thing that you want to do is that you come up here, it says please sign into your AdSense account, blah blah blah. So go back on your AdSense account, okay, at the home page, on the home page of your AdSense account, you want to make sure that here you will see this new tab to do verify your billing address. So you want to click here on verify it. It says we mailed you a PIN on August 11, 2020. It should take 2 to 4 weeks to arrive. Verify your address by entering the PIN we sent you. So after you have the PIN, you just click here on verify and you insert that PIN that they will mail in your mailbox, and you will get verified. Now you have 2 monetization options. You have the video advertising and you have superb. Video advertising is where advertiser can actually run ads on your video that can follow AdSense friendly guidelines. Now, how did I get monetized? What is my timeline? See, my very first video was actually published on March 15. So it took me from March 15 to September 8 to actually hit to September 7 to actually hit that requirement. So I reached that requirement in about 6 months, and as you can see, this is not easy to reach, but I was not lucky, but I said I worked hard. I publishing high quality video that really made you guys to watch my videos. So I just want to say thank you again. Now, as you can see on the monetization, now you have a monetization tab right here, visibility monetization, and you have off. You can easily come here and turn them on, but then it's going to be time consuming if you want to do them manually. Because I don't want to make this video too long, in the second part of this series I'm actually going to show you how you activate different types of ad automatically on across all your videos, such that you will have display ad, overlay ad, mid-roll ad. But I'm actually going to show you as well how you can place ad within each video in such a way that it can provide you more money, because the more ads you have and the more money you will make. So this is going to be this in the second part that you can watch by using the link in the description. Again, if you like this video, the only thing I'm asking in return is not even to subscribe, it's just to smash or to press the like button. That will really help to promote this video in front of other people through the YouTube algorithm, which will make other people to also watch this video. Now I just want to say thank you for watching and see you in the second part of the series.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.